Hi there YouTubers, Tom here. My apologies for the lack of uploads recently. I was super busy with my acoustic engineering degree, which I finally finished and graduated from. I got a first, which for those of you not familiar to the UK education system is the highest grade that you can get for an undergraduate degree, so I was very happy about that. But that's mainly why I've been so quiet on social media and everything. But also I was having problems with this Galaxy Note 4 which I was using before, and I don't know if you can tell, but the battery's swollen quite badly, so it's not particularly safe to use. So recently I picked up a Galaxy S9 Plus, which is what I'm filming on right now, and today's video is going to be demonstrating some of the awesome slow motion effects that this camera can do by plugging a bunch of these old Maplin woofers and tweeters into the mains for you, because that seems like the sensible thing to do, but it should be able to show off the 960 frame per second mode really well, I hope. We will see. So like I mentioned, this is the S9 Plus, which I'm now using to film. It's the titanium grey model with 256 gigs of storage, which is jolly nice. I've got all of my music on there and lossless, so yeah, really happy with it, and it means that I'll now hopefully get back into making videos a bit more for you, because I know I've been so quiet. So yeah, I'm going to start by testing some of the different modes on this camera and hopefully make a nice compilation of slow motion for you. Another awesome feature of this new camera is the ability to swap between the standard lens and this 2x telephoto, so you can get in nice and close without having to move the camera too much, which is really cool. So I'll try that out. The first video is just going to be shot normal 30 frames per second, so regular speed. Okay, so here we go with the first one. This is a stupid idea, so don't try this at home. That appears to have popped the breaker somewhere in the house and the dust cap flew off, and it's left the inside fairly messed up. So I will reset the breaker, and hopefully the fuse in the plug's still good, and I'll carry on with the next ones. The voice coil of the first speaker actually survived. It was the lead wires leading to the coil that actually blew up. For this second one, the camera's going to be slightly further away to hopefully capture a nice bit of slow motion. So here we go. Much more smoke than the first one. Distinctive sound and smell of the blown speaker. For this next speaker, I'll be using the 960 frame per second mode, which will hopefully capture just the speaker as it's giving up. That last slow motion seemed to work really well, and the coil is definitely damaged quite a bit. I'm going to try that again with the 960 frames per second mode, and take the camera slightly further away, so hopefully capture a bit more of the sort of sparks, hopefully. moving on now to a pair of soft dome tweeters. Here's the first, and I'll try both the 240 frames per second mode and then the super slow-mo 960 FPS. So here we go with the first tweeter. Hopefully it's a good result. Lots of smoke there. And here's the final tweeter, and I've added my multimeter, which will be interesting to see how fast it updates in terms of the 960 frames per second mode. I'm not expecting it to catch up. I think the tweeter will probably blow up before the meter even has a chance to register it, but it'll be interesting to see. And yes, as predicted, the multimeter was far too slow to see what the tweeter saw. I think you can just about catch the tail end with a maximum of 247 volts when the meter finally catches up. But yeah, I think that's probably enough destruction. All these 7 drivers, they put up a good fight. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm definitely going to make use of the slow motion mode some more, with some hopefully interesting ideas, and I'll keep you posted. Thanks very much for watching.